Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Day-Date 40, reference number 228239. We'll be going over the pricing, the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so as of March 2018, you can get this Rolex Day-Date from an authorized Rolex retailer for $37,500 plus tax. But of course, here at JazTime.com, we always strive to have the lowest prices anywhere online, so you can go ahead and check out our website for the most up-to-date pricing. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the dial now. So for the dial configuration I currently have here in my hand is a beautiful blue dial with Roman numeral hour markers. Specifically for the Day-Date, there are different configurations for the dial. So strictly speaking about the Roman numeral hour marker dials, you can get it in the blue, green, white, or silver dial. If you're not really interested in the beautiful Roman numerals, you can also go simplistic with the index style dial, which is stick hour markers. Then you can get that with a black, silver, or dark rhodium dial color. Now, if you're feeling like this Day-Date isn't really popping too much for you, you can also go even more luxurious and go for diamond hour markers in place of the Roman numerals or index hour markers. However, that is going to add about $4,500 on top of that retail pricing, so you're looking at around $42,000 in retail pricing for diamond hour markers in either silver or black dial. Okay. But with the Day-Date, it's always followed this same dial architecture, even from the Day-Date 2 and the Day-Date 36, is that we have very simple. We have the hour markers with the day at the 12 o'clock position. You can see it says Sunday, and the day at the 3 o'clock position. Of course, you can see this is magnified by a Cyclops lens on top of the sapphire crystal, so for easier viewing of that date. The hour markers, the hour hand, minute hand, and seconds hand are all fashioned out of 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. And that white gold is nicely high polished, so you can see beautiful shine when light hits on those hour markers. As we move on, that nice high polish is joined in with the nice high polish fluted bezel as well. It's just a fixed bezel, so it doesn't shift around or anything, but it has been machined very beautifully. As you can see, the light also reflects in different portions of that bezel as well. The bezel itself is also made out of 18 karat white gold. And as we move on to the case now, you'll see that white gold is the common theme here, as actually the whole watch is actually 18 karat white gold. So the case size is a 40 millimeter case size from an index finger to my thumb here. That's 40 millimeters in diameter. Very beautiful high polish on the top of the lugs, on the bottom of the lugs. Case fully made out of 18 karat white gold. Here's the side profile of the case. Not too large. Will fit in our suit cups, dress cups very nicely. Also nice high polish on the side of the case as well, matching with the side of the bracelet. Same can be said about the other side of the case as well. Nice high polish matching with the bracelet again. Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. For the crown, it serves various functions for the Rolex Day-Date 40. So we'll go ahead and move on to that now. So the crown itself is a screw down to unlock double waterproofness system, of course made out of 18 karat white gold. Unwinds counterclockwise as shown, and opens up to the standard position in which you can wind the watch, going clockwise. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more from a dead stop. Simply tugging out the crown will let you adjust the date going clockwise, as you can see at the 3 o'clock position. But going counterclockwise will adjust the day. As you can see, it's just very easily, very quickly, very smooth between the two transitions. No hiccups. Okay, and pulling out the crown to the final position will stop the seconds hand here. And that stopping the seconds hand for precise time setting is very helpful, such as if you want to set the time down to the exact seconds, like such things as an atomic clock online, then you can stop the seconds, set the hands however you like bidirectionally, and set the time. Pressing the crown back in will start the seconds hand once more, and always make sure screw the crown in nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. And also, of course, you don't want that crown sticking out, and you want it to be nice and tight against the case. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the bracelet now. Of course, the most unique identifier of the day-dates is the President bracelet. It's a specific bracelet made for day-dates. Travels back to the Day-Date 36, the Day-Date 2, now Day-Date 40. We have the President style bracelet, which is kind of a mixture of a Jubilee and Oyster bracelet together. Oyster in the sense that it's made out of a 3-piece link, so we have 3-piece links. We have the nice sand finished 18 karat white gold on the edges, or rather on the outer parts of the 3-piece links. While we have this beautiful high polish that travels down the center and nice contrasting to that brushed look. And that contrast really brings out the shine more out of the lugs of the watch, as you can see, and more out of the bracelet. Jubilee is style in the sense that the links themselves are semicircular. You can see semicircular links, and it follows a similar bracelet style in which that the links are shown throughout the whole bracelet. There's no interruption by the Oyster style clasp. And what we have instead is the Rolex concealed folding clasp, located by the crown logo here. This is where the clasp is located, and this is how the bracelet is opened up. And it opens nicely to reveal these high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed onto the clasp blades themselves. So once again, let me show you that closed up. Beautiful continuous bracelet when that's closed up. You can see the clasp is hidden behind the bracelet as so. And let me open that up once more for you guys. There you are. Okay, so very simple bracelet, but absolutely gorgeous style. Like I said, President bracelet, only unique to the Day-Date 40, or rather the Rolex Day-Date line. This is where you'll be able to find this specific style of bracelet only. So let's go ahead and talk about the movement now. So the movement is housed in this beautiful case backing, nice high polish on the outer portion of the Oyster case back with nice sand finish on the very top of it. The bracelet, or the movement itself is Rolex's newer style movement for the Day-Dates. It's called the 3255 movement. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement with a precision within Swiss specs of -2 +2 seconds a day, and that +2 -2 seconds a day is within those Swiss specs because of the parts, or the individual parts and technologies that Rolex has implanted into the movement itself. The update that they've done is that they've added a new style escapement, which is called the Chronergy escapement, which is what Rolex likes to call it, and has optimized energy efficiency. Rolex claims it has a energy efficiency of 15%, which helps its power reserve reach that 70-hour power reserve, which means you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday afternoon, and it'll still be keeping time just fine. But the exact specs of the Chronergy escapement is that they've taken the escapement wheel and they've skeletonized it to reduce the inertia on the escapement, to keep it within those Swiss specs. And also they've made that escapement out of a nickel phosphorus, which helps with the resistance against magnetism, in conjunction with the oscillator, which is a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring. And those two things help with the resistance against magnetism for the movement itself, so the movement can keep running at a very nice precision. All right, so let's go ahead and get this watch on my wrist. So once again, locate the crown on the President style bracelet, open it up as so, and there we are. Absolutely beautiful dial. Like I said, the high polish on the hour marker is matching with the high polish just throughout the whole watch, on the bezel, on the lugs of the case. The President style bracelet, you see the high polish straight through down the middle. Just really just an overwhelmingly luxurious watch. Okay. So if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com, where the lowest price is guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.